Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the question answer part of lesson 1, that is a selfish giant. So first number is complete the sentences in your own words. Let us see the first answer. When the giant saw the children playing in his garden, what did he do? In his garden, he shouted angrily. You have to write, he shouted angrily. Then we see number 2. As he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden, the giant wondered whether the weather would change. Number 3. The giant's heart melted because he realized he was selfish to not let the children play in his garden. So these were the complete the sentences in your own words. Then number B is, who said these words and why? My own garden is my own garden. So the giant said these words to the children playing in his garden because he was the person who did not like the other people using his things. Number 2, spring has forgotten his garden, so we will live here all the year round. The answer of this is frost and snow. Frost and snow said these words, for although spring had arrived and all over the country flowers were blossoming and birds were chirping, the garden of the selfish giant were still reeled with under winter. Number 3. How happy we were there. The children said these words because they were very unhappy after the giant drove them away from his garden. Now they had nowhere to play. Number 4. This is a delightful spot. We must ask the hail to visit us. The north wind said these words because when it visited the garden, it was covered in frost and snow. He found the place to his liking and wanted to make it colder and not suited to its taste. Number 5. Climb up, little boy. A tree said these words to a little boy who was trying hard to climb up its branches, but was unable to do so because of his small size. Then comes next, that is, answer this question. Number 1. Why did the spring not come to the giant's garden? Spring did not come to the giant's garden because he was selfish and did not allow the children to play in his garden. Number 2 question. What did frost and snow do in the garden? The frost and snow decided to live all the year round in the garden. That is the answer. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak, and frost painted all the trees silver. Then also invited the north wind to stay with them. Number 3 question is, what made the spring finally visit the garden? The spring finally visited the garden when it saw the children playing in the garden again. Then number 4, we have 2 bits. What was his mistake? That means mistake of the selfish giant, and what made him realize his mistake? The answer is, his mistake was that he did not let children play in his garden. Then number B, question number 4B. The fact that the giant's garden was visited by the spring only when it saw the Children playing in the garden again made the giant realize his mistake. Then comes your next, that is number 5. How do we know that the giant sincerely felt sorry for his action? We know that giant sincerely felt sorry for his action as he knocked down the wall of his garden and told the children it was their garden. Then come to number D, think and answer. Is there a moral in this story? If yes, what is it? Yes, there is a moral in this story. If a person is selfish and only thinks about their own interests, they will have to suffer for it badly. Another moral that we can draw from it is that Mother Nature loves those who love children. Then number 2. In the story, the first letter of the name of season and natural phenomena, that is snow, frost and hail, have been capitalized. Why do you think this has been done? The seasons are personified in a story, so their name are capitalized. Then number 3. What do spring and winter symbolize in this story? Spring symbolizes reward and bountifulness of nature as it gave flowers and greenery to the giant's garden. Winter symbolizes punishment that the giant got for being selfish. Now we will see word study. Some words in English are often confused one for the other because of a similarity in their spellings and pronunciation. Given below are some such words. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the box. You may have to change the form of some of the words here. So here, this you will find in page number 9 of your New James English Reader, Lesson 1. The first question is, the giant put on a notice saying that the trespassers will be persecuted. First answer will be persecuted. Second, a secular state does not dash people on the basis of their faith. The answer will be persecute. Persecute. Number 3, the demonetization has dashed small businesses. Here affected. AFFECTED, affected. Then number 4, the dash of the campaign was felt all over the country. Effect. Then comes everybody dash him on his new hairstyle. Compliment. COMPLIMENT. Then comes she is careful to choose colors that complement. COMPLEMENT. Then next is your I dash with your cause. Sympathize with your cause. And I will do everything I can to promote it. Then number 8, a good actor is able to empathize. EMPATHIZ, empathize with the characters they play. 15th August 1947 is a dash day for all Indians. Historic. Then do you have any historical evidence to support your claim? So these were all related to your spelling and pronunciation. And next is your collocation. Is a combination of words that usually go together, such as clear water, good food, great advantage, and running brook. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. You may use a dictionary for help. Oscar Wilde has written many, we can see that is number C, timeless. Timeless. Number 2, Moria had a dash look on her face when we told her about the sudden change in the examination schedule. Alarmed. Number 2 will be alarmed look. Then number 3 question we will see, that is, my uncle's return to India seems a dash. Number 3, remote possibility. Number remote possibility. Then number 4. Darius is the best person to dash accounts because he is very organized. That will be keep. Best person to keep accounts. Then pulling a cart is indeed a dash job for any animal. That will be tiresome job. By the end of the story, the giant develops dash feeling. The answer of number 6 will be human, Humane. Now, next question is related to your punctuation mark. So, this is given here. Why W will be capital? Giant is speaking. Why are you in my garden? I don't allow anyone here. So, here W will be capital. And then after garden, you have to put mark of interrogation. Then after here, you have to put full stop. Then children, dialogue. We have come to play here. After here, you have to put full stop. Then W will be capital. Won't do any harm to your garden. Then full stop. Giant is telling no. No, after no, N will be capital, and after no, you have to put mark of exclamation. Then must leave at once, she is telling. Then after at once, you have to put full stop. Then I will be capital. Then comes your next one, that is you have to put full stop after here. Then children, after OK will be capital, O will be capital. After that, mark of exclamation. Then W will be capital. We are going. After going, full stop. Then please, P will be capital. Then after angry, you have to put a mark of exclamation. So these are the answer of. Now come to your grammar study, dependent and independent clause. I have told you about independent and dependent clause in the summer vacation through online class. Now here are some questions. Identify the underlined clauses. Write I for independent and D for dependent. So number 1 is your independent. Oscar Wilde was educated at home was independent clause. When he turned 17 is your dependent clause. Number 3. Wilde's interest in art grew. This is your number 3 is your independent clause. Number 4. He was also influenced by John Ruskin, who believed that art and literature should teach us good values. Who believed that art and literature should teach good values? That is number 4, dependent clause. Then, though Wilde worked quite hard, he often liked to appear. He often liked to appear ideal. That is independent clause. Then Wilde has written many beautiful poems. That is also independent clause. Then if I am asked to choose his best poem, I will pick the Ballad of Reading Gaol. This is also your independent clause. Now come to your next question, that is I. Here make 2 different sentences with each phrases, using it first in a main clause and then in a subordinate. You have already read about subordinate and main clause in the online class. Now I will tell you the answers. I took time out to read this interesting autobiography even though I was busy. This is mean. Until I finish reading this interesting autobiography, I am not buying another book. Subordinate. Example is given. You have to use interesting autobiography and grandmother's library and shellfish giant. Now here some answers are given. I would like to read for you for number I. Since the local school does not have a library, all the school children are members of my grandmother's library. So this is main clause. Although my grandmother's library is located in a remote part of the town, many children frequent it. Subordinate clause. The Shellfish Giant is a beautiful story that Oscar Wilde wrote for children, main clause. Oscar Wilde is famous for his short stories, one of which is a selfish giant, subordinate clause. Now, this is the listening skill. The answer for the listening skill number J1. The Picture of the Dorian Gray was published in the year 1890. It is a story of a handsome young man named Dorian Gray. Then number 3, Dorian falls under the bad influence of Lord Henry. Then number 4, Lord Henry teaches him that God's greatest gift to humankind is beauty. Then Gray goes to his friend who is a painter and asks him to paint his portrait. Then Dorian wishes he never become old. Then his wish is granted and his dad grows old instead of him. His, we see here, portrait grows old. In the end, Dorian realizes his mistake. He dies repentant old man. He dies as a repentant old man. Then speaking skill is there. Then you have to do of your own. Then writing also you have to maintain, that is, except any, you will write a diary writing. We have already seen about diary writing in standard 7th in online classes. But if you have any doubt, you can send it through the WhatsApp, your response. Have a nice day. Thank you.